Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix and able to remove. There is an active subscription on this account that required at least one payment on file. For example, if you try to remove a payment method from your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on view account. So here what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. In that interface, you will find the payments which you can manage. Before this, you have to simply provide the password for that your Apple ID. So here I'm going to provide the password. Now I have provided the password. So after providing the password, you can simply see all the settings related to your payment. So here you can simply find uh, payments option. So here you have to simply click on that, and you can simply add payment or remove payment method. So if you try to remove a payment method and you see an error which shows that you have to provide some payments for the subscription, which means you have to simply check your subscription which has a pending payment. So after checking for the subscription, you have to simply provide the payments to the pending subscription, and after that you have to try again to remove that payment method, and after that you will be able to remove that payment method from your account. So in this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.